Hello, in this video we will talk about chapter 22, comparison of decimal numbers. To compare two decimal numbers, we start comparing their whole parts. If their whole parts are different, so the number that has a greater whole part is greater. Let's take examples. 2 and 5 tenths, 6 and 4 tenths. We will start comparing their whole parts. The first number has 2 in the whole part and the second one has 6 in the whole part. And we know that 2 is smaller than 6, so the first number is smaller. Another example, 14 and 7 tenths, 9 tenths. The first number has 14 in the whole part and the second one has 0. And we know that 14 is greater than 0, so the first number is greater. Now, if their whole parts are equal, what we have to do? We compare their decimal parts. Remark if the decimal parts don't have the same number of digits, we add zeros to make them the same. Let's take examples. 25 and 9 tenths. 25 and 75 hundredths. Look, these two numbers have the same whole parts, 25 and 25. So now we will compare their decimal parts. But the first number has only one digit in the decimal part, but the second one has two digits. They are not the same. So what we have to do? We add 0 to the first one to make them the same. Now they have two digits in their decimal parts. So now we compare them. We have 90 and 75, and we know that 90 is greater than 75, so the first number is greater. Another example, 89 and 500 thus, 89 and 53 thousand thus. These two numbers have the same whole parts, so now we will compare their decimal parts. But the first one has two digits in the decimal part, and the second one has three digits in the decimal part. They don't have the same number of digits, so we add zero to to the first one to make them the same. And now we compare 50 and 53. 50 is smaller than 53, so the first number is smaller. Another example, 125 and 1 tenths, 125 and 10 hundredths. Look, these two numbers have the same whole parts, so we will compare the decimal parts, but here we have only one digit and here we have two digits. They are not the same, so we add 0 to this one to make them the same. They should have the same number of digits in the decimal part. So now we have 10 and 10, they are equal. So these two numbers are equal. Thank you for watching.